Well, perfect day to go to the car wash. I suppose you're wondering why I'm wearing the camera on my head strap rather than maybe putting it on the windshield. Well, I learned the other day that the windshield suction cup mount does not hold in this weather. So you're stuck on my head for now. And we're going to the car wash. It's been really sloppy the past few days, and the car is coated in salt. Not that you could really tell, but I want to get it off of there, and hopefully I can actually get into the car wash this time. Well, no, I'm not drying it off. There's really not much point. And I mean, it's gonna be snowy as hell by the time I get home anyway. I will tell you, 996 brakes do not like this weather. Not even a little bit. Anyway, so feel free to critique my car wash as you want. Yes, I know I'm missing the headlight washer cap. I have it. It fell off somewhere in Montana or Idaho or something. I just haven't had a place to replace it yet. Obviously it needs to be someplace indoors and warm, which, well, this certainly is not. So anyway, thanks for coming along. As always, make sure to like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.